Grow amazing cucumbers at home in no time. Did you know that cucumbers can grow up to 2 inches per day? Yes. Well, I recently learned that you can actually get cucumbers from seeds within 7 weeks.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Welcome and welcome back to my food forest in containers. Thank you all so much for tuning in. A warm welcome to all of you, my new gardening family. Big ups to you, my faithful gardening family, and a big shout out to you, my channel members. I appreciate you one and all. God bless you. So this cucumber that you see I have right here, all of these white particles that you're looking at right now, this is diatomaceous earth. So it has been a struggle with the pest pressure, but I'm still getting cucumbers, and that is what really matters. More coming up. More coming up. Alright, so we're going to get this lovely one right here this morning. How do you know when your cucumber is ready to be harvested? You see these spines, these white spines that you're seeing, that looks bumpy right here. All right, let me wash it off so you can see it a little better. Yes, so as I was saying, these white spines that you're looking at, that looks bumpy, the cucumber actually have them as a way of protection, to protect them from pests or predators in essence. You know, once you're able to rub them off like that, you know that the cucumber is actually ready. Also, you want to make sure that you harvest them when they're green and tender. You don't want to wait until they're too big or get turning yellow. Once it turns yellow, it will taste a little bitter. And also, when you harvest them green and tender like this, then you will allow the others to get a chance to mature and allow the vines to focus on the other fruits that are coming out. Alright, so young and tender, well, green and tender it is. Another thing, cucumbers are very heavy feeders, especially when they're fruiting. You want to give them more food than you're usually giving them, and they love water, so you want to take that into consideration as well. So plant a seed within 7 weeks. In no time, 7 weeks will come and you'll get your nice fresh cucumbers from your food forest or from your backyard. The joy of that is second to none. And not only that, it is organically grown. If you choose to go that route, that is, which is the best. Alright, so let's get our nice little cucumber. Ta-da! Alright, so there we have it. So we're going to wash it and taste it together. Alright, time to taste. Well, it is just one, but at least that's one less item off the grocery bill. And I'm still saving, and soon I'll have more, so whatever remains that is left from this cucumber, it is going back into the garden because I'm going to add it to my liquid fertilizer. So it's a win-win situation. You grow your food organically, you eat more healthier, you feel more happier. Gardening on a whole is therapeutic, and you harvest, which makes you super happy, and you eat. It is truly a blessing. God bless it and continue to bless my vine until it's ready to move on to glory. But anywho, let us dive into this baby right now. So green and nice. I want to see if there are any seeds inside, so I'm gonna cut it a little deeper. Yep. Alright, so, and then you can also save your seeds to grow the next time around. You really don't have to buy any more cucumber seeds again if you don't want to. So usually when we're eating cucumbers, we eat the entire cucumber, but you can cut it like this and take out a few, dry it, and you store it in a nice dry place until you're ready again to start your next batch. Alright, so yeah, let's tell you how it tastes now. Guys, there is nothing, I'm telling you, there is nothing like growing your own organic food at home. And I'm not exaggerating, the taste is completely different. The taste is so pure, it is so divine, it is magical. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm telling you, it is even buying from your local market, the taste is completely different from that. Believe me, there's no chemical added, strictly organically grown. What better way to treat your bodies? I wish I could give every single person a taste, because I'm not exaggerating, I promise you, I am not. Taste is really, really, really good. So if you have not yet started to grow your cucumbers, go ahead and grow them. Well, for some persons you'll have to wait until the spring, but consider growing your cucumber. This is a pickling variety. Give me a thumbs up for this baby right here. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down.